Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a mobile app with Firebase step by step clearly. To deploy a mobile app with Firebase, begin by creating a new project in the Firebase console. Visit console.firebase.google.com and log in with your Google account. Click on Add Project to start a new project setup. Enter your project name and agree to the terms to proceed. Once the project is created, navigate to the project dashboard. Next, click on Add App and select your platform, either Android or iOS. For Android, you'll need to input your app's package name. You can find the package name in your Android project, typically in the Android manifest.xml. For iOS, provide your app's bundle ID found in your Xcode project settings. After entering the necessary details, click Register App. Now, you'll receive instructions to download a configuration file. For Android, download the Google Services.json. For iOS, download the Google Service Info.plist file and add it to your Xcode project. Next, integrate the Firebase SDK into your app. For Android, ensure you have the Google Services plugin in your build.gradle file. Add the required dependencies for Firebase products you plan to use, such as Analytics or Firestore. For iOS, use CocoaPods to install Firebase SDKs by adding them to your pod file. Run pod install in your terminal to install the dependencies. Now, initialize Firebase in your app. For Android, add Firebase app.initializeApp, this, in your main activity. For iOS, place Firebase app.configure in the app delegate file. After initializing, implement the desired Firebase services into your app. Configure Firebase Analytics, Firestore, or any other services as needed based on your app's functionality. Next, test your application thoroughly in both development and production environments. Check for any issues with Firebase integration or app performance. Once testing is complete, prepare your app for release. For Android, generate a signed APK or app bundle through Android Studio. For iOS, archive your app using Xcode and prepare for submission to the App Store. Finally, upload your app to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.